And while people in Florida moved to higher ground, government scientists flew into the center of Ian the day before it made landfall. These hurricane hunters now have technology that could help save lives. Ben Tracy shows us the tool that could lead to more precise hurricane forecasts.
There goes the fence. Holy cow.
This is what it's like to stare a monster hurricane straight in the eye.
Oh!
Some team members from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration say Ian was the roughest hurricane flight they've ever experienced.
You good back there? Yeah, we're good.
For decades now, the government has been flying hurricane hunting aircraft in and around some of the fiercest storms on the planet. They drop sensors to measure a hurricane's strength and help forecasters on the ground predict where it's headed. But there is one place scientists can't go, the so-called boundary layer, below 3,000 feet where the air and the ocean meet, a violent churning cauldron of wind and salt water.
We as humans maybe can't go down there, but we can bring our technology down there and send that data back so that it can be used.
Joe Cione is a lead meteorologist at Noaa. Inside this 3.5-foot tube is his new secret weapon, an unmanned hurricane hunting drone.
So this drone can literally go fly around the inside of a hurricane?
Yes.
It's called the Altius 600. It weighs about 25 pounds and can fly for nearly 4 hours, feeding back real-time data to detect what scientists call intensity change.
So how strong is the storm right now, and how strong will the storm become?
The fear is rapid intensification, when hurricanes become catastrophic Category 4 or 5 storms just before landfall, giving coastal communities little time to prepare. Research shows Atlantic hurricanes are now intensifying more quickly because of warmer ocean waters, likely due to climate change. Our warmer atmosphere means they also hold more water, and rising oceans can make storm surge more devastating. So when they dropped the drone into a hurricane for the first time this week, they knew it was more than a science experiment.
By having these observations that we would otherwise not have, we can tell the forecasters and the emergency managers if the storm is as strong or weaker than they think.
Unfortunately, you don't get to use these things twice. Once all that data is transmitted back to the plane, the drone actually ditches itself into the ocean. Noaa also has a fleet of what are called sail drones. These are now providing the first ever data and video from the surface of the ocean inside a hurricane. Ben Tracy, CBS News.